here, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and now let's actually get started. So today I'm going to be doing fake fidget trading with my friends. And if you're wondering why I have a sunglass on and there's music in the background, is because I'm trying music on the editor and me and Jonah are just getting ready for bed because we might as well, because then we can just play together longer. So like 5 seconds longer, but every second counts. So let's get started. So Donut, those are her fidgets, and these are my fidgets. Let me grab all my fidgets off my bed. These are a lot of fidgets, and also my friend Hallie gave me some magnetic balls because I traded her some stuff. And now everything's sticking to her. Oh, Donut. Especially the pea pod. Oh, God. Pea pod almost went behind the bed. So I'm going to keep those away from all these. I have 2 mochis, a monkey noodle, a stress ball. I have a pea popper. I have, of course, it's taken 4 of the magnetic things. And then there's like this, I don't know what it is, but it's a bike gym. And then there's this, and then there's like this water snake. Okay, yeah, let's start. And I just have these 4 fidgets. So let's get started. So yeah, I also have the snake. So, Donut, who should offer first, me or you? Okay, what do you want to offer? I will offer the Nido. I do have a Nido, but it's at my nana's right now. So yeah. I will trade you. So I will trade you this water snake. Yay, I traded her this. By the way, inside is actually a water snake. So, yay! Next one, Dodo. By the way, we're putting these fidgets to a side after we've traded them, so then it's more realistic and we're not trading the exact same thing every single time. Alright then. So, I'm gonna trade you these magnetic balls. Pop tube, maybe add, because these are really expensive. One more thing that's a deal. How about you take away that thingy-majiggy? How about you take away that and then add the slap bracelet? Deal. There you go, it's a deal. Alright then. I think it's because you were playing with it too much, Donut. Alright then, Donut, what are you going to offer? I'm going to offer this egg. I know what it feels like, Donut. I have a whole package of those. Yeah, I guess. I'll give you this mochi. Okay. Giving Donut this mochi. Okay. I don't know why she loves mochi so much, but okay. What is on his book? Oh. I wanted you to hear that. Yep. Okay, I will offer this bike chain. Real. Look. Add. Okay, accept. So right now I have 1, 2. Okay, it's your turn to add first. Okay, that's fidget pad. Okay, how about monkey noodle? Yay. I want you to offer a lot. Pop it! Okay, a deal. Yes. Yep, I made up my decision, I want it. Okay. I'll just do my last side of the top. And also guys, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see me and Dodo do a video of making this thing. Choose what fidgets we trade. And you know what I mean by this thing, don't you, Dodo? Right next to me on the wall. Yeah, you know the Amanda. Yeah, you know we call it Amanda. You know that one.
Oh yeah.
She just didn't know what I was talking about. Okay, so now it's your turn to offer first. Okay, I'll offer you this squishy. She just has a prettier face on it, and I like it more. Alright then, now it's my turn to offer first. Yeah, and anyways, let me see, I'll trade you this snake, and I'll trade you this pea popper, and I'll trade you this stress ball. So these, add, okay, accept. I'm running out of fidgets, guys. I only have 3 fidgets. How many fidgets do you have, Bernard? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!